Welcome back to the Car Explorer. Today we're reviewing one of the most jaw-dropping, luxurious, and futuristic vehicles ever created, the Rolls-Royce Motorhome. This isn't just a step into the future of automotive design, it's a giant leap in how we think about travel, comfort, and performance on the road. Rolls-Royce is already a name associated with absolute prestige, and now they've taken their legendary craftsmanship and applied it to something that blends the freedom of a motorhome with the refinement of a palace. Let's take a closer look at what makes this rolling masterpiece so unique. Starting with the exterior, the design of the Rolls-Royce Motorhome is nothing short of breathtaking. It has a long, sleek body with a futuristic profile that instantly commands attention. The bodywork is finished in a striking dual tone of deep metallic gray and glossy black, with elegant chrome accents running along the edges and trim. Every curve is smooth and intentional, sculpted with aerodynamic efficiency in mind. At the rear, a full-length LED light bar stretches across the width, giving it a spaceship-like presence, while the glowing Rolls-Royce emblem adds a premium, unmistakable touch. The multi-spoke chrome wheels are massive and beautifully designed, housed under seamlessly integrated arches that give the vehicle a powerful yet graceful stance. It looks like it belongs in a sci-fi film, but it's very much real. The interior of this motorhome is where Rolls-Royce truly flexes its craftsmanship. When you step inside, you're not entering a typical RV, you're walking into a mobile luxury suite. The cabin features the finest materials, hand-stitched leather, real wood veneers, brushed metal, and ambient LED lighting. The floors are finished in polished hardwood with soft, plush rugs, and the signature starlight ceiling casts a gentle glow like the night sky above. The front driving area is futuristic and minimalist, with a digital instrument cluster and touchscreen controls. The yoke-style steering wheel is modern and comfortable, and visibility is excellent thanks to the panoramic glass design. Behind the cockpit, the main lounge includes reclining seats, hidden storage, a full-sized OLED TV, and a customizable lighting system. Further back, you'll find a beautifully appointed kitchenette with marble countertops, high-end appliances, and seamless cabinetry. The bathroom is also luxurious, with a rainfall shower, soft closing fixtures, and hotel-quality finishes. A small but refined sleeping area folds out with premium bedding, creating a space that's both restful and private. Every feature inside is smart-enabled, so you can control lights, temperature, and media with voice commands or an app. When it comes to performance, this motorhome doesn't just rely on looks, it delivers where it counts. It's powered by a dual-motor all-electric system that produces over 600 horsepower, giving it a surprisingly quick and smooth acceleration despite its size. The driving experience is silent, effortless, and incredibly stable, thanks to Rolls-Royce's advanced air suspension and adaptive dampers. The Magic Carpet Ride feeling they're known for is fully present here. Whether you're cruising along the coast or navigating urban streets, the motorhome floats over the road, offering unmatched comfort and control. The estimated driving range is around 400 miles on a full charge, and it supports fast charging to get back on the road quickly. That's it for today's deep dive. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts about the Celian 6 in the comments below. Until next time, this is the Car Explorer.